Lori here with Hardworking Mom. So today's Thursday business tip is going to be on some of the new shipping changes that have taken place in Etsy. So if you have an Etsy account, I don't know if you have seen, but Etsy is really pushing free shipping. Now that doesn't mean that you're required to do free shipping. It means that Etsy is not going to show nearly as much of your content, of your products, if you're not offering free shipping. So what they've said is that they are going to promote free shipping items before they show the other items that are not free shipping. So how do you deal with that? Well, the way to deal with that is to up your prices and then offer free shipping. It's not difficult. You can actually up all of your prices at the same time on Etsy without having to go into each individual one. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have high quality products on Etsy, that you have excellent pictures, that your tags are good. So this is what people are going to search for. So let's say that you made a snowman wreath. Well, you would want to use snowman wreath. You wouldn't want to name it something cute. If you have those items done, then you should have no problem just going ahead and increasing your pricing and make sure that you take advantage of Etsy's new real policy on free shipping. So it will impact you if you don't offer free shipping. So I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to increase your prices. Okay, so on Etsy, if you go into Etsy and you go into your listing, so this is my dashboard. This is what your dashboard looks like in Etsy. If you go into listings, okay, you can actually change the prices on every single item you have at the same time. So you see right here, it says set a free shipping guarantee for your shop. You'll get priority placement in U.S. search results when you offer free shipping on U.S. orders $35 and up. So that means that if you don't do that, your items are going to get buried because Etsy has done a research and they have seen that people buy more items that are priced over $35 if free shipping is included. So what they did is they did research, and people will buy more things to get to free shipping. So let's say that your shop offers free shipping over $65. So that's now something you can do in Etsy, and they want you to do that, although they want you to make it $35. All right, so what you can do is right up here, you can select all of the listings in your store. You can click on editing options, and you can click on edit prices. So you can increase by a specific amount. So let's say that you know that your typical item that you're shipping costs $20 to ship. So you could put in the $20, and then you could just hit apply, and that would take care of any items that you had. You can change your shipping profile from here. So remember, we just talked about how you can set up so that people can get free shipping if they want to spend so much in your shop. So you could go ahead and make all of your shipping profiles domestic free. So the first thing you would do is you would come in here, you would edit your prices, increase it by your $20 or whatever it is, and then after you did that, you would come in here, do edit options, and you would change your shipping profile and make it domestic free. So if you do those two items, it's going to ensure that Etsy is going to promote your items first. So it's really important that you do that. And as you can see, it's really easy to just go ahead and quickly do that on all of your items. Now, if you are in Etsy doing this, so you saw it said 40 items. Well, that is because it's only going to change what you see on the page. So if you have several pages of items, make sure that you're checking and making sure you're doing it on each page. So it's not something that is going to go away. It is something that Etsy is going to make a big deal of. So if it's not something that you think that you can do, then you probably need to come up with a plan on where else you could sell your items. So there's a lot of places that you can sell your items, and it doesn't have to be just Etsy, right? So Amazon Handmade is a really good one. There's also a marketplace, so automatic traffic that's going to Amazon Handmade just like you have going into Etsy. So one of the reasons that Etsy's making all these changes is because they've started advertising now. So they're trying to get more people onto their platform in order to really get more sales. Of course, more sales means more revenue for them. It means more revenue for you. AC Moore is coming out with a new marketplace as well, and I think that this is something that we should all be watching because it's going to be less expensive. So it's going to be like a flat rate. I think it's like $5, and they are not going to charge fees. So there's not going to be like 5, 10%, or 15%, such as Etsy, Amazon has. Most of them have fees. So the only thing you're going to pay is your flat monthly rate, and then you're going to pay, of course, the credit card processing fees. You're going to pay that no matter where you are. So I would watch for that. I would kind of put that in the back of your mind and watch for when that comes out, because I think that is really going to be an excellent place. So one thing that you need to remember, no matter where you're selling your products, you really need to self-promote, because no one's going to promote for you. So make sure you are talking about it every time you're on social media. Make sure you're using your social media appropriately. There are a lot of places that you can sell and really get the word out about your products or services, and it's not just Facebook. There are other platforms. You know, if you don't like Facebook, that is okay. You still can have a good business without using Facebook. I do think Facebook is important. However, there are really good platforms out there that people really spend more time promoting on and get a better result. I do think you should have a Facebook business page, at least because later on you might want to really work on that. So if you need more guidance in items like this, make sure that you go and check out my Success Path group, where we go through how to use all of this social media to actually get yourself out there, to grow your audience, to sell your products, because it can be easy to find instructions on this, but it doesn't tell you how to implement it, how to keep it up. So it's really important that you don't spend all of your time trying to figure it out. You know, joining a group like this can really save you a lot of time and effort. Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope this helped you. And I will see you again for another business tip next week. Bye, y'all.